Word meaning practice. Word meaning practice. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଆସୁଅଛି। ତାର ଇଂଲିଶ ହେବ just coming. Just coming. ବହୁତ ଭଲ। ତାର ଇଂଲିଶ ହେବ very well. Very well. ଯେପରି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଚ୍ଛା। As you like. As you like. ଆଉ କିଛିର ଇଂଲିଶ anything else. Anything else. ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ. That is enough. That is enough. ସମ୍ମାନ ପାଇଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. Thanks for this honor. Thanks for this honor. କାହିଁକି ନାହିଁ? କାହିଁକି ନାହିଁର ଇଂଲିଶ ହେବ why not. Why not? ଅଳ୍ପ ବି ନାହିଁ. Not a bit. Not a bit. ଯତ୍ନ ନିଅ. Take care. ଯତ୍ନ ନିଅର ଇଂଲିଶ ହେବ take care. ଆସନ୍ତାକାଲି ଦେଖା ହେବ. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. ହଁ ଅବଶ୍ୟ. Yes by all means. ବହୁତ କିଛି. That is too much. ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା. Yes sir. Yes sir. କେବେ ନୁହେଁ. No not at all. No not at all. କିଛି କଥା ନାହିଁ. Never mind. Never mind. ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ. Nothing else. Nothing else. କିଛି ଖାସ୍ କଥା ନୁହେଁ. Nothing special. Nothing special. Like, share, comment and subscribe.